So guys, let's continue with the distillation column number 2, which will be much simpler column. It's essentially the DISTL, DISTL. It has 20 stages, 10 feeds, we're going to feed it in the 10th stage. It's a total condenser. The distillate to feed ratio will be 0.6. The reflux will be 4 molar, and in this case we are going to consider a pressure drop. So it goes on the top 1.90, on the bottom 2.1. So first things first, go to the column tab and choose the DISTL. We're going to have one inlet. Let's assume we have one outlet, 2 outlets. This will be the C6 stream, which is essentially benzene and cyclohexane. This is the C7 stream, which will be the toluene stream. Now add this column number 2, and as you can see, once again we need to define block number. This block, column number 2, number stage is 20, feed stage 10, reflux ratio I think was 5, I just want to be sure, 4. Distillate to feed ratio 65, I think so, no, 60. Condenser type, yes, total. Condenser pressure 1.90 and 2.10. Just to be sure, okay, yeah. And as you can see, that's everything we wanted to know. So this is much simple as the rat frac. You just need to know the stages, feed stage, reflux ratio given, the distillate flow, etc. Now we run this. Okay, we just want to ensure there are no errors. They are not. So this will be already, as stated, it has converged. This was the distillate or distill